I'm taking on an extreme challenge that I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know. This is the biggest project I've ever taken in my life, and that is my kitchen. And I'm going to be doing it all by myself. It is a fair sized kitchen. I have between drawers and cabinets, I have 60 of them. We thought about painting them or having them refinished, but we're looking at around $10,000 to have that done. And I'm thinking, you know what? Maybe I want to do it by myself. At least I want to try. And this is what we're doing. My husband totally thinks I'm crazy. He's probably right. But, you know, I don't know unless I try, right? Got this rooster a long time ago. He's really run down. He really needs a lot of help. He still has a lot of life in him. So I thought that today I would give him a nice paint job, freshen him up and make him look all handsome again. I wasn't going to take this video, but then I thought, hey, why not, right? Just in case somebody else has something like this. All I'm basically doing here is just wiping him down, some alcohol wipes, and I'm wiping off everything that I can reach. I am not lifting up his feathers and cleaning anything under there. There's nothing for me to clean in there. There is a bit of rust, but of course with this alcohol wipe, I can't do anything about that. And I'm cleaning his feet because of course it was in the ground, so it's filthy. I just realized that his tail does come off, which is a bonus. It's going to make it so much easier to paint. I've taken all the black feathers, or the black feathers that he had. I'm just painting it in black again. I'm not being super careful not to go onto the white. I'm just going over the black, and if it goes a little bit on the white, it's perfectly fine. I'm adding some paint to anything that he had that was black already. I'm going in with the white paint, just brushing off his feathers and going in as much as I can reach. If I don't reach it, I don't reach it, but just a little bit to cover up as much as possible. Now this is the tail. I don't want to do too much up there, but I do want to give it a little bit of a whisk down here. Just a little, like dirty it up. For the top of his head, I'm going to use Crimson Red from Bear Paint. This is absolutely one of my favorite shades. I love also using this color for Christmas projects as well. Now with a feathering brush, I dipped it ever so lightly into the black paint, and I'm barely touching the feathers, just whisking them very, very gently. I like the way he's turning out. Now mind you, I'm still gonna clean this up, and his eyes and his beak. Now I'm gonna be using Solid Gold from Bear, and I already gave it the first coat. Now I'm just going to give it the second coat. It might need a third coat. I painted his eyes in black, and now I'm just giving him these little white circles just to brighten up his face. And there you have it. I didn't want to make it all black. I wanted to whisk it a little bit of the white, or I should say it's an off-white, almost like a vanilla. I wanted to give him a little bit of red here because some roosters do have red. I wanted to keep the white. There is a little bit of rusty dots in there. I left those. It's okay. I can go in with a brush as well, but I'm not going to bother. It's rustic. It's outside. Love his face. That's how you do it. Now I'm going to hold off for this to dry, and then I'm going to seal it. This is him sealed. I am so excited about him. I remember growing up and having a little rooster like this, and so I wanted to kind of bring him back to life, and this is exactly how he looked. I'm so happy the way he turned out. And you know what? It's just a garden gnome or whatever you want to call it, but I wanted to make it fun. Just because you have something that's sort of that you're going to throw out, you can bring it back to life. And look how beautiful he is. Now let's give him a name. Leave it in the comments below. Now don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, because you absolutely do not want to miss my next video. It is epic, 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 epic of a kitchen makeover on a very, very slim budget. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember to be kind. We'll see you next time.